Okay, so dear students, in last lecture we had seen about the various types of patterns that we had seen. So, what are the various types of patterns? Single or solid piece pattern, multi piece patterns, loose piece patterns, split patterns, then gated patterns. Then these are the various types of patterns. Types of patterns. So, in today's lecture, we are going to study about the allowances, pattern allowances. So, before studying this pattern allowances, in your mind, that picture comes in your mind, or some confusion is in your mind that what is the allowances? Allowances means some extra material is to be added while preparing the pattern. So that is called as the allowances. Extra material is added to the pattern before preparing the pattern. Extra means if you are going to prepare a pattern of having 20 millimeter diameter, so if you are taking the allowances of all these phenomena, that is the shrinkage or contraction, taper, machining and like that, so you must add some material. So that previously it was a diameter having 20 millimeter. Now for machine allowance supposed to millimeter is to be added, so that will become 22 millimeter diameter pattern. So you are taking the care about machining. Means after casting a product, whatever the surface finish you can get, that is not up to the mark. Means that is not up to your requirement. So you must finish those surfaces by machining. So you must add some extra material. So to add extra material on the pattern, that is called as allowances. Extra materials. To add extra materials on the pattern so that you can work on various shrinkage allowances, with various taper, some size and shape will be changed. So you are going to work on those size and so that you can obtain the casting product as per your dimension specification. As per your dimensional specification, you are going to obtain it once you add the extra material. So adding the extra material, that is called as pattern allowances. Then these are the various types of pattern allowances. Various types of pattern allowances are shrinkage or contraction. Shrinkage means once you solidify metal, that will shrink or that will contract. So it changes its size and shape. That's why that is the shrinkage. Draft or taper allowance. In this case, the diagram will represent draft and taper allowance. Then machining allowance. This diagram, third number will represent machining allowance. Fourth number, distortion or camber. This is camber and distortion. Wrapping or shaking. Shaking means if after molding, you are going to remove the pattern from the mold material. Molding side, you are going to remove the pattern. So you are going to shake it. Shake it means you move the pattern by means of screw. So what will happen? So to withdraw that pattern from the molding side, you want to remove the pattern because you will have a mold cavity inside the sand material. So you are going to remove it. So you are going to shake it. And after shaking, so the cavity enlarges. The shape and size of the cavity changes. So you must overcome those by providing distortion of camber. Wrapping and shaking allowances. And what is distortion? Distortion means what? I want this particular shape after casting. So what will happen? Once I pour the material, so the material will shrink in this fashion. The material will contract in this fashion. So if the material is after pouring and after solidification, if the material changing its shapes, you want that this particular shape, it will changing like this. This is called as a camber. So it will distort. So that material changing, some metals will change like this. Some metals after solidification changes this particular size and shape. So to overcome this, so you prepare such type of pattern first, and then you will have this particular pattern or casting product. If you are pouring molten metal, if you are getting such type of shape, then you must know that if I am getting such type of shape, so I must give the molding cavity length so that I can get this particular shape. So now let us study one by one shrinkage or contraction. Shrinkage or contraction patterns allows means what? This is the mold cavity. This is the mold cavity. This is the box and this is sand. This is box and these are the molten metal. Molten metal. Previously you prepare this mold cavity by withdrawing the pattern. So this type of cavity I will obtain after removing the pattern from this cavity. And I am pouring the molten metal inside this cavity. After solidification, I will get such type of casted product. This is the casted product, cast product. Means after casting you are getting such type of product. Means this diagram will indicate that there is a contraction. It changes in its height. It also changes in its diameter. If it is circular, then diameter also you are getting less in diameter and less in height. So what I can do, I will provide an extra material on the pattern so that this mold cavity is like this and mold cavity increases in its diameter. If I am having such type of pattern, once I pour the molten metal inside this cavity, so I will get the dimensions of the product at the last stage, after solidification. So perfect dimension I will obtain by providing the shrinkage or contraction. Shrinkage or contraction means that is the nature of molten metal. Once the molten metal solidifies, it contracts. It changes its height. In this case, it changes its height and changes its dimension. Means you are obtaining the cast product which is less in some height. So this much height you are getting less and some diameter. You are also getting less in diameter. So it will happen because of shrinkage. So to overcome that, so I must provide an extra material on the pattern. Extra material, now the pattern is like this. Now the pattern or cavity of the molding box is like this. So some extra material you are adding on the pattern to take the care of shrinkage or contraction of the molten metal, so that at the last stage you are going to obtain a perfect dimensional cast product. So that is the shrinkage allowance or contraction allowance. Now let us study draft or taper. If the mold cavity is rectangular in nature, because the pattern is rectangular, this is also rectangular. So while withdrawing this pattern from the mold, so what will happen? It changes its size. It changes, the mold will change its size and it will become like this. changes. So to overcome that, so give an angle to this pattern. Instead of casting such type of product, you provide some angle on the pattern. So you prepare a pattern like this, so that this pattern will create a mold cavity in the molding sand. So that is also taper. Taper means it is some angle is there. To provide some angle, in this case, provide some angle. So to take care of the draft of taper means by withdrawing this, the mold cavity changes its shape and it will become conical. So to take care of this, so manufactured or some add the extra material. So this much extra material is added. And this is also extra material is added on the pattern so that it will take the care of withdrawing of the pattern from the molding sand. Now, third number one is machining patterns. Machining or finishing patterns. Casting patterns doesn't possess that much surface finishing. So, you require to be machine it. Why you are going to machine it? You are going to turn it or some milling operation, some grinding operation is to be carried out after casting. Because after casting the product, you are not able to obtain that much good surface finish on the outer surface of the product. So why you are going to finish it? Because you are going to produce a smooth surface on the casted product so that you can overcome the friction between two mating parts. So that's why we require a finished surface on the product, casting product. So I must provide some extra material. So this extra material is added on the pattern so that it will take care of finishing after casting. So it will take the care of. This much amount of material is to be removed by machining process and you obtain the good surface finish on the outer surface of the casted product. So this is machining allowance. So you have a fine finish surface on the outer surface of the casted product. So that is the machining allowance. Now, fourth number one is distortion or camber. Distortion or camber means if the casted product, the shape of the casted product is like this at the filing. But by pouring the molten metal inside the mold cavity, if suppose you are obtaining such type of casted product, means it changes. This is called as a camber. It distorts from the basic side. If it changes like this, so you prepare the pattern like this. So that after pouring it, you will have this surface or this shape that is called as a distortion or camber pattern. Allowances. Now last one is wrapping or shaking. Shaking means if you are removing the pattern from the mold cavity, suppose this is the pattern and this is the molding box. This is molding box and pipe. So you are going to remove this pattern, screw it, screw it, and after screwing it, now shake it. Shake means move this pattern and remove this pattern. So what will happen? After removing this, you will obtain such type of mold cavity. Large mold cavity will enlarge or large mold cavity is obtained after shaking or after withdrawing this pattern. So to take care of this, you must reduce the size of the pattern. So less material is used. You are not going to add no in this case material. You are going to remove. You are going to manufacture this pattern by less material so that the cavity is shaking alone. It will take care of shaking. So that is all about the wrapping or shaking. So some allowances are added on the machining allowance for machining purpose. You must add the material, but if this wrapping or shaking to withdraw draw this pattern. So large mold cavity is obtained. So to take care of this, you prepare the pattern. So that will take care of this cavity. So after this cavity, you are going to fill it with the solid material, molded material, and after solidification, you will have a cascade product. So this is all about the pattern allowances. So in coming lecture, we are going to study about the some molding techniques and some casting techniques.